Did you hear about Amazon's move into quantum computing? In the summer of 2025, Amazon made a bet. It bought 854,000 shares of a company racing so fast that today looks like slow motion. The next great race in all of tech. Amazon put $37 million on the table. And then just a few months later, Amazon sold every single share. Now, here is where it gets strange. Almost every write up got the story wrong, and they missed the one stock that Amazon was quietly buying. Today, we solve this together, and I give you a skill that you keep for life. My name is Ken Freeman. I'm a Rutgers Business School professor, CFA charter holder, and I have over 20 years on Wall Street. I train the analysts at the big players on Wall Street: JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, and BlackRock. Firms that size know how to skip the noise and find the one number that matters. So, what did Amazon actually do with it, and how did the whole internet miss it? Everything today rests on one simple rule. Every big investor has to file a report with the SEC showing the stocks that they own. It's called a 13F filing. Think of it like a receipt. 4 times a year, the biggest players have to show you their hand. It's a free look at what the smart company owns. And on that receipt, every position has two numbers. Number one is the dollars, the value of the position at the date of filing. Number two is the shares. That's the actual number of pieces that they hold. Only one of those two numbers tell you what the investor actually did. Let me show you why. Say you own one share of a stock. Tonight, it's worth $100. Tomorrow, the whole market rips higher, and it's now worth $200. Your dollars just doubled, but did you do anything? You were asleep. You made zero moves. That is the dollar column. It moves on its own every single day. The price is set by millions of strangers buying, selling, making the market. Now, picture something completely different. You wake up and you buy 9 more shares. That requires a move that takes conviction. And that shows up in the shares column, so the shares are the fingerprint. Everybody stares at the dollars, the headlines, the blogs, and the hot takes. And they lie to you about your own money. Your account flashes green and you feel brilliant. But maybe the market moved and you did nothing. This skill is how you stop fooling yourself. Amazon is about to fool everybody, but not us. First, meet the portfolio. This is every public stock that Amazon owns, just 5 names. But it's worth about $2.6 billion. Look at how the money is split. One stock, Rivian, is 90% of it. The other four fight over the last sliver. This is barely a portfolio. It's one enormous bet and four leftovers. Let me walk you through the last year and a half. End of 2024, Amazon holds 9 stocks. Rivian is already big, about 78% of the book. Spring 2025, still 9, Rivian climbs to 81%. Summer, still 9, but Rivian jumps to 89%. Fall, down to 7, Rivian is now 94%. Do you see the pattern building? Every few months, fewer names on the list and more money crammed into Rivian. The book is caving inward, but who vanished along the way? Twilio, a software company, sold off after 2024. A chip maker named AMD, you might have heard of them, held briefly, then gone. Vital Farms, Owlet, SmartRent, all gone. But one exit was never Amazon's choice. A company called Air Transport Services. Another firm bought the whole thing for cash. When a company gets bought and taken private, it leaves the public stock market for good. Getting bought out is the market forcing your hand. Choosing to sell is you making a real call. Only one of those reveals what Amazon believes. So out of everything that's left, did Amazon make any real moves? Let's test it stock by stock. Stock number one, Nautilus Biotechnology, a tiny company trying to read your proteins. The value of the stake is up almost 99% in a single quarter, a monster gain. So Amazon must be pounding the table, right? Now run our rule and go to the share column. 1.46 million shares. That exact number for 6 quarters in a row. Amazon held it still for a year and a half. So where did the 99% come from? Purely from the price. The stock climbed from 195 to 388. Value up 98.97%, price up 98.97%. The exact same number out to 2 decimals. The headline screams action, but the share count whispers nothing. And be honest with yourself for 1 second. You've read these reports probably chasing a big green number that means very little. And that guessing has quietly cost you money. So I built a place where you could stop guessing how to invest and start learning the frameworks. Just scan the QR code on the screen. Stock number two, Beta Technologies. This one is wild. They build flying machines. Now, the headline flips the other way. Amazon slashes its flying car bet in half. The value fell almost 48% in one quarter. So Amazon must be panicking and bailing, right? You already know the move. Check the share column. 11.7 million shares, exactly the same. Amazon sold zero. The price alone dropped 48%. Seam trap as Nautilus, just the inverse. But here's the truth. Beta went public in November. Going public means a private company sold shares on the market for the first time, like SpaceX recently did. Amazon owned a piece of Beta for years before that. The public just could not see it until it was listed. And that's the real lesson of the 13F. It only shows you the public stocks. Everything private stays invisible. And Amazon's biggest bet of all is private, an AI lab called Anthropic. They make Claude the top rival to ChatGPT. Amazon has already poured $8 billion into it, and they've pledged $25 billion more. That dwarfs this entire portfolio, and none of that shows up in the 13F. The $2.6 billion that we see is just a rounding error. So if the dollars keep lying to everyone, is there a stock where Amazon actually made a move? Okay, stock number 3, Astera Labs, another chip company. I'm going to show you one number. Last quarter, the value dropped 34%. So, did Amazon actually sell? Check the shares. 277,777, frozen for 6 quarters straight. If you said that Amazon did nothing, you nailed it. You read the filing like a pro. 3 stocks in, and the score is still the same. The dollars screamed, but Amazon sat still. Back to IonQ, our quantum computing bet. Hit the rewind button to early 2025. Amazon owns 0 shares of IonQ. Then, in the summer, it appears out of nowhere. 854,000 shares, about $37 million. A real serious bet on the future of computing. And the very next report, 0. The entire position wiped clean. By September of 2025, the bet was already dead. So here's what the internet got wrong. The story said that Amazon sold IonQ this spring. They were 2 full quarters late. Amazon walked away the previous September. So why did everybody point at the spring? Because they saw a ghost. Almost 6,700 shares worth $299,000. Under 1% of the real bet, a whisper position gone by the spring. So everyone reported the $299,000 ghost, but they missed the big $37 million sale. All of it was sitting in the share column where very few people bothered to look. So Amazon sold Quantum. Case closed on that. So did Amazon buy anything at all? They did. One stock that flips the entire story, Marvell. Marvell designs custom computer chips, the tiny brains that run giant data centers. For 5 straight quarters, watch the shares. 225,428, frozen. Amazon left it alone for over a year. Then last quarter, the number finally moves. It jumps to 396,352. That's almost 171,000 brand new shares. The position increased 76%. And this time, price is not the reason. The stake gained about $20 million. Only $3 million of that came from the price. The other $17 million was from Amazon writing a check. And Amazon almost never buys on the open market. So when it does, you lean in and watch closely. This is the only one true move in the filing, the fingerprint on the glass. Now, let's look at what Amazon actually bought. Marvell builds custom AI chips for Amazon's cloud. That cloud is AWS, Amazon's real profit engine. It rents computing power to half the internet. They signed a 5-year deal back in 2024. Amazon's own AI runs on chips like these. So, while Amazon spends record money on AI, it quietly bought more of its chip partner. So Amazon made only one real bet, which leaves the biggest question of all. Why is 90% locked in on one stock? The giant Rivian, an electric truck maker. 90% of its entire portfolio, over 158 million shares, unchanged for 6 quarters in a row. Rivian soared, Amazon held. Rivian collapsed, Amazon held. And now the gut punch. Last quarter, Rivian dropped almost 24%. Amazon's stake lost $738 million in 90 days. And how many shares did Amazon sell? 0. Let that sit for a second. Almost $750 million gone, and Amazon didn't even blink. Most investors would sprint for the exit. Amazon owns more than just Rivian shares. Rivian builds Amazon's electric delivery vans, and Amazon ordered 100,000 of them. The stock and the vans are tied together. So maybe Amazon holds because it believes, or maybe it's stuck. I'm going to let you decide that one. Let's put it all together and call it. We're going to answer the question that we started with. 5 stocks, One swallows 90% of the money. The list shrank from 9 names down to 5. Is Amazon making sharper bets, or are they backing away from betting at all? Here's my honest take. A real investor spreads their money across multiple bets. Amazon has 90% in one and froze the rest. Amazon is babysitting their book, except for one spark of life in Marvell. That single buy is the only real move here. I recently did a full valuation on Amazon stock. It's up on the channel and you can check it out right now. If you want to learn how to value any company, scan the QR code on the screen. Here is one number to watch. Amazon files its next 13F in mid-August. Once that drops, go right to the Marvell share count. If it climbs above the current 396,000 shares again, Amazon is building a real bet on its chip partner. If it sits flat, maybe the bet was just a one-off. Is Amazon going to increase its stake in Marvell, or do you think it's going to stay put? Let me know in the comments below. As always, be relentless.